Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create your Wayfair account from your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your App Store and then search for Wayfair just like that. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and tap on this application, download and install it onto your device and click on open. Now, once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on the account right over there. And now simply go ahead and enter your email right over here and click on sign in or create account. And once you've entered your email and tapped on that button, it's going to ask you to create a password and also to verify your account by sending you a verification code on the email that you'll have to enter back on the application and your account will be ready. So it is a very simple process. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.